Let's continue our journey to understand Python. The next topic is variable. I hope you learned about the features. What are variables? A variable is the name given to a memory location. A value holding Python variable is also known as an identifier. You can identify a variable or maybe a value where it is stored. It's stored in a variable, and variable is the name given to a memory location. Always try to remember this. Since Python is an infer language, this is that is smart enough to determine the type of variable. Variable names must begin with a letter or an underscore, but they can be a group of both letters and digit. Understood? So the second pointer talks about dynamic memory allocation, and that's what I told you that makes Python different from other languages where you need to write maybe a less number of line of code, and that makes a programmer life easy by just assigning a value to a variable, and that variable takes the data types by default automatically based on that value. The name of the variable should be written in lowercase both body. So here both Bobby and Bobby. First Bobby has B capital, second Bobby has the B lowercase. So are distinct variables. Python doesn't tie us to pronounce a variable prior to involving it in the application. What does it talk? I told you you don't need to explicitly maybe declare a variable. You can directly assign the value. It permits us to make a variable at necessary time. In Python, we don't have to explicitly declare a variable. That's what I told you. The variable is declared automatically whenever a value is added to it. The equal operator is utilized to assign worth to a variable. Doesn't it? It's a magic. Okay, so now what are the Python data types? You can see the basic data types are supported here: numeric, dictionary, boolean, set, sequence type. So I have given you some subtypes of the numeric, integer, complex number, float. Likewise, I have given for sequence type string, list, tuple, and I have given some example. If you will assign 20 to A, it will become integer. If you will assign hello world to B, it may become a string type, right? So and C equal to 1.5, so that may become float. Excellent. So the sprint command, you can print the value of variables and get the value of the variable. Is it okay? So let's jump to the next topic. That